been a while. Yes, you guys, this is the 4th Thursday, or finally after 3 weeks of no school on a Thursday. Last week we didn't have school Thursday or Friday, but school got canceled on Wednesday. And then the last 2 previous Thursdays, school got canceled. Guess what? There's no snow. I love it. But I am at Walmart today and I am excited to share with you guys some really good deals. I just opened up my phone. I have a weekend warrior where I need 10 rebates to get $1, so that's obviously gonna happen. And then I got a rebate for $10 if I get $40 rebates. Now I did find out that I read somewhere that when the rebates reset, sometimes those might not count as a bonus rebate. So we'll see how it goes. If one of these deals reset and we don't get, like, it goes towards a bonus, we'll see what happens. I also did receive an email the other day from coupons.com, and I have a feeling coupons.com might be like changing out because I got like a billion emails. I received an email from them that says coupons.com is for Shopium. So I have a feeling coupons.com might not exist in the near future, maybe within the next year. I think they're trying to go to Shopium. So the deals that we're gonna do, if you use digital coupons, if you submit your receipt, it's either Shopium or it is coupons.com. They are sister apps, but it looks like they're probably going to be merging into one. So we got that. There is Alexa. A lot of you guys were asking about Alexa. I did make a video. I posted it of how to use the Alexa app and find your deals. I think those are still sister rebates, but you can kind of combine those because it doesn't say. But it is all confusing. There's so many apps out there. Everybody coupons differently. The only thing I try not to do is, you know, glittering, but everything else I try to use everything correctly. But yeah, everybody makes mistakes, but everybody also shops differently too. So there's different things. So we got stuff like that. But I'm gonna go inside, kid-free, the way to be, and we are gonna go inside, share with you guys some deals, and then I will come back either in the back of the car, or I have to go pick up my daughter and I will go home and share with you guys what I got. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have ZzzQuil. These are $4.97 if you want the liquid. Otherwise, you can get the pills for $4.96. We currently have a $3 Ibotta rebate deal that you guys can get. It is a limited too, so you can do both of them if you want. But these come out to be just $1.97 or $4.96. There is a rebate bonus, but if you buy 3 of them, you get a 75-cent bonus, but a pretty great deal if you guys want to do that. So here's a deal if you guys like the Bonnie. So we have the travel size of the Bonnie, which is like Dramamine, for $4.96. And then we also have the fast acting relief for vomiting, nausea, and dizziness for $4.97. We currently have an Ibotta rebate for 50% off, so you'll get $2.49 back with this Bonnie product, and then there was another one also. But it comes up to be just basically just $2.47 for this. We are flying soon and I get sick, so I am getting that. So here we have the Unisom Simple Slumbers for $10.98. You're gonna purchase that, pay $10.98. You're gonna submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you get $4 back when you submit your receipt. Plus Ibotta, you also get $5 back, which does end soon. It is a limited one. This just comes out to be just $1.98. So here we have this Console Gut Health. We have the apple cider gummies, and then we also have the green bottle for $13.48. You're gonna pay $13.48, but we currently have, my phone is being weird. We currently have a Ibotta rebate for $5 back. Plus we also can submit your receipt to $5 back with the coupons.com app. And you can submit your receipt to Swagbox. You'll get 450 points when you purchase 2. Otherwise, you'll get 200 points when you purchase just the one, which is $2. This just comes out to be just $1.48. So here we have the Digestive Advantage for $12.98. You would pay $12.98 for it, but we currently have 1,210 points with the Shopkick app, which is $4.84. You can also submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $5 back. And there's an Ibotta rebate where you get $3 back. Plus I have 2 10-cent any protein powders. So without the 2 10-cents, it ends up becoming 14 cents for that. But since I'm gonna get 20 cents back, that comes out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Gain, the blue bottle for $3.74. You'll pay $3.74, but we currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5, making them just $1.74 each. So here we have a good deal. You guys could get the Gain. This is a new scent. I'm not a big fan of the smell, but it is $3.44. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You would pay $6.88, but with the Ibotta app, there is currently $3.99 when you purchase the 2 items. So you guys would get this for $2.89 or $1.44. But if you are like me and you love the Dawn dish spray, I like getting the regular fresh scent for $3.94. You would pay $7.88. You submit your receipt for $3.99 back. This comes out to be just $3.89 or $1.94. Or if you need the one with the sprouts, $4.94, you would pay $9.88, get $3.99 back with Ibotta, making it $5.89 or $2.94. So it just depends on what you guys want. The free and clear is a little bit cheaper, but I'm just gonna get the fresh scent because I like that smell the best. So here we have the Febreze Untouchables or Unstoppables. For some of them are $4.94, some of them are $6.94. This one's $5.94. I did scan these. The Ibotta rebate only works for these kind. It scans for those items. But I did scan this blue one, and this one is $4.94. We currently have a $3 Ibotta rebate. You would just get that for $1.94. So here we have the Febreze. I'm still waiting for them to have a single one of this one, but we are gonna get the Vanilla Sunrise. These are $3.24. You're gonna pay $6.94, but then you get $6.48, sorry. $6.48, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $3.30 back, making these just $3.18 or $1.59 each. I know we can get them cheaper other places, but not everybody shops at Walgreens because I know sometimes people think it's a pain, but still wanted to share with you guys on this deal. So here we have the Airwick Essential Mist. This is an awesome deal, you guys. It's $11.98. You would pay $11.98 for it, but then you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app for $6 back, and you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $6 back, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. So here's a deal I've been wanting to do. We got the Resolve carpet cleaner for $4.97. There is a $2 rebate, so it makes it just $2.97. There is a bonus that does expire soon, but I am not doing this deal. But if you get 3 products, I don't know if you have to get, if you buy 3 of the same products, you might get an additional $2, I'm assuming. But pretty good deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that. So here we have the Gatorade Fast Switch. My store is pretty much empty, but it's $2.18. You'd pay $2.18, but then we have a freebie with the Ibotta app where you get $2.18 back, making this for free. So here we have the pull-ups for $9.97. My daughter is just refusing to be potty trained right now, but you'd pay $9.97. We currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate that you can submit your receipt to. We also have a $2 rebate with the Alexa app, and then there also is a $2 rebate that you can submit your receipt to coupons.com or the Shopium. So without the Alexa, it comes out to be just $5.97, or it'll be $3.97 if you submit your receipt to that. I've been getting these ones, but this ends up becoming cheaper, so we're gonna go ahead and do this deal. So here we have the Pringles. My store has the Philly cheesesteak, which my husband wants to try, and then I love the sour cream and the cheddar. But these are $1.96. You would buy 2 of them, you would pay $3.92, but then there is an Ibotta rebate where you get $1 back when you purchase the 2 of them, making them just $2.92 or $1.46 each. So here is an awesome deal if you guys like macaroni and cheese. The original macaroni and cheese is $1. It is regular price $1, but there is currently a 20-cent Ibotta rebate where you guys can get this for just 80 cents. It is a limit of 5, and then after you make a couple different transactions, you will get a $1.50 rebate, which ends tomorrow, so never mind on that, but I'm definitely gonna get some macaroni and cheese. So here we have the Starry Zero Sugar for $2.18. You're gonna, if you guys have that buy one get one free coupon that we got from coupons.com a couple weeks ago, you want to use that. So you end up paying, actually it's $2.28. Sorry, this is the wrong price. It's $2.28. So you pay $2.28, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get 75 cents times 2, so you get $1.50 back, making both of them just 78 cents or 39 cents each. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it was so nice shopping at Walmart without the kiddos. I wanted to get a couple things there that I wanted to get without the kids being there, and they were sold out, so yeah. But as I was shopping through the store, I noticed my store has a lot of clearance, especially like in the Band-Aid aisle. I ended up getting some Bluey Band-Aids for 72 cents, but when I price checked them, they did not ring up regular price. And then I found some chocolate Mickeys that come with a coin, and they're showing, like, there's tons of tags everywhere showing they're 57 cents. Get up to the register, they're ringing up $2.48, so, or $2.28. So a lot of stuff was on clearance, but they weren't ringing up the clearance prices, and they had to end up, you know, overriding them. But I noticed just a lot of clearance at my store in the aisles, especially like in the healthcare section. And then I looked at my clearance aisle, there wasn't really anything that like was popping up. And then food, I didn't really see anything, but yeah, but it was still fun. It was still fun shopping. So I got everything that I shared with you guys, what I got. Usually I try to do like a walkthrough and do that, but I don't want the video to be like super long. So I just kind of share with you guys everything that I got. My total came to be $108.70. $108.70. Now, one thing I did forget to check was my Ibotta rebate. Now, they do have it where certain rebates now don't count as bonuses. So I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It says I ended up getting 17, 18. It says I ended up getting 20 Ibotta rebates. Now I did buy one thing that wasn't included in this haul. So I should have, I don't know, but it did look like the any rebates, or like the any protein powder, I think was one of it. It did count as a rebate for the bonus. So not sure what's going on. I will have to wait and see if this stuff does reset and see if this does count. But I ended up getting 20. So I just need 20 more rebates by the 13th, and I will get a $10 bonus. So guess what? Challenge accepted, because we're already halfway there. So yeah, my total came to $108.70. I ended up getting $46.26 back with Ibotta. Shopkicks, I did receive 1,210 points, which is $4.84. With Fetch Rewards, I received 168 points, which is 16 cents. So pretty exciting right there. I ended up getting points for, I know, for the Powerade, and then I got points for the pull-ups, and then I can't remember the other, oh, the macaroni and cheese I think I got points for too. So got those. Swag Bucks, I did only just buy that one item, so I ended up just getting the 200 points, which is $2. I did submit my receipt to coupons.com, and I will be getting $22 back. And then I also submitted my receipt to the Alexa app, and I will be getting $22 back with that. Like I said, I think Shopium and coupons.com, they're pretty much going to be joining as one, or I think coupons.com is going to be going away, and I think it's Shopium is what's going on. I think, like, if you guys know any more information, please let me know. But that's what's basically going on. So I didn't submit any receipts to Shopium. If I go next week and those deals are not available in coupons.com, then I will submit my receipt for the Shopium app. So basically it's kind of a double whammy. So if like one option's not available, you can always go to the second option. And then I did finish the Weekend Warrior, where I needed 10 rebates for $1, so I ended up getting that. So my grand total came to basically $10.44. I got 22 items at 47 cents each. I really love getting the Dawn Power Wash. That's one thing that I actually clean like crazy with. There is a lot of things that you can have it come off, and I should actually do more cleaning. Try it to see what I can get off with that. And then the Febreze, you can't go wrong with, you know, Febreze. I always like that stuff. The Kraft macaroni and cheese, I bought so much over the last couple months that some of it started to expire. And so I've been trying to use that up, but I'm not going super crazy because we're not eating it this fast. My daughter just somehow doesn't want macaroni and cheese anymore, and that was her favorite thing. So we got her to eat it last time. The Unisum is something we definitely use. And then the ZzzQuil, that was a pretty good deal. And then the Gatorade. So funny thing is, my store had the shelf empty of the Gatorade. But then when I went up to the deli section, they had like, you know, they have the cooler. And there was a whole freaking section of their Gatorade. Ouch, I just hit my hand really hard. There's a whole section up there. So sometimes they do have it in different spots if you guys cannot find it. But other than that, I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. I did try looking around in the clearance section for the clothes. My store was actually gathering it all together. There was so many employees in that store today, it was ridiculous. But I was looking at the clearance stuff, and they had some like sweatshirts on clearance for like 10 bucks, and I'm like, no, I don't want to spend 10 bucks for it. But my store was like gathering all of their clearance clothes and putting it in the main aisle in the back of the store. So definitely check your clearance and see what you guys can get, but every store is different. But that's how I always shop. I always buy on clearance, and I always buy off season, especially for the kids, and then for myself, you know, why not? So, but that was my haul. I was pretty excited to finally get to Walmart after everything that I went through for the last couple weeks. I will be going live tomorrow, so hopefully I can get my, you know, my laptop plugged in. I'm working down in my basement now instead of upstairs, so I'm trying to get everything down here. And then if you guys haven't already, I definitely recommend you using Brand Club. Now I know Brand Club is very confusing. Now there's times where you do the surveys and stuff, and then if you buy a specific product, you guys can get that money for doing that survey. Here's my scenario on that. I hardly ever do the surveys. I know you can only do 3 every 24 hours, but what I actually do is I have my Brand Club connected to my Walmart website and my Target account. So anytime I go to Walmart or Target, I always go to the Brand Club app, and I always hit that plus button, and then I see stuff like adding, like I bought some shirts at Target on clearance for Valentine's Day the other day. I just found 2 shirts. I didn't do a video, but I found 2 like 99-cent Disney shirts on clearance for Valentine's Day. I ended up getting 50 cents back for both of those shirts through Brand Club, just because I bought, you know, if my account is connected to that. So it is confusing, but it is free money. I mean, you sometimes can get like 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 cents for buying a certain item. I ended up buying a bookshelf on Amazon, and I ended up getting $5 back for buying that just by having my account linked to Brand Club. So if you guys haven't joined Brand Club, I have the link below. Just join it, because all those cents and everything adds up, and you have very little effort to do anything. Towards when we scan our receipts, you have to scan all these receipts here and here. But when you do Brand Club, you don't have to scan your receipts. It's connected to your account. So that's how I always get, you know, paid. And I always try to cash out like at 50 bucks. I might not cash out as much, but I do get to able to cash out by just buy all those little things that add up. So it's free money, and it's super easy to do. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Fingers crossed that there is school tomorrow next week, so I can go shopping again, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.